Hi, welcome to High Tech Machinery Inc. Today we are going to give you the demo on the 2010 Sharp model TMV vertical milling machine. This is a nice looking milling machine in a great condition. It has the power feed on the x-axis and on the y-axis. The machine has 3-axis Sharp DRO. It has a power drawbar. So overall this machine is in a great condition. So now we're gonna give you the demo. Yes, sir. Currently the machine is running at 468 RPM, and you can manage, increase or decrease the speed by just turning that knob. That's a pretty cool feature on these mills. It's 2000, 26, 2700, 3500, 3700, 3000 RPM now. Now the full feed has been engaged. As you can see in the DRO, it's going to disengage when it's going to reach its point. So full feed has been disengaged. Now we are decreasing the RPMs, and now we're going to change it to the low gear and show you different RPMs on the low gear. Now the machine is running on the low gear at 8258 RPM. That's a pretty cool feature on these machines. Now we're going to show you the power drawbar. Tool is out, tool is in. That's your power feed on the x-axis. You can manage the speed by turning that knob. It's going to disconnect when it's going to reach its limit switch. As you can see on the DRO, it's going to stop when it's going to reach its limit switch. It's been disengaged now. We're going to a different direction now. You can also do the rapid by pushing that switch. Now we're going to show you the power feed on the y-axis. That's the power feed on the y-axis. As you can see in the DRO. It's going to stop when it's going to reach its limit switch. You can also do the rapid on that. As you can see in the video, this machine is in a great condition. The ways looks great, the table looks great. So this machine is in immaculate condition. If you have any questions, you can call us at 913-306-1377. The machine can be inspected under power at our warehouse in Independence, Missouri. Thanks for watching.